Natural numbers. All the counting numbers starting from 1 till infinite. All these numbers are known as counting numbers, natural numbers. They all are denoted by n. Always remember this point. All the counting numbers are known as natural numbers and they are denoted by n. The smallest natural number is 1 because the natural number starts from 1. And there is no largest number because I have already told you. The natural numbers starts from 1 and it goes up to infinite. It has no ending. Example 1, 2, 300, 200, 356, 628, 926. Till infinite it goes. Now coming towards what are prime numbers. All the natural numbers except one which has mainly two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. All these numbers are known as prime numbers. प्राइम नंबर्स बेटा वो होते हैं जिनके फैक्टर्स सिर्फ दो होते हैं. एक तो 1 एंड द अनदर वन इज वो खुद वही नंबर फैक्टर हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5. 5 is divisible by 1 and the number 5 itself. Let's take an example 4. Is 4 a prime number? क्या 4 prime number है? The answer is no. 4 is not a prime number. 4 के बहुत फैक्टर्स हो सकते हैं. बहुत भी क्या, कुछ फैक्टर्स हैं लेकिन दो से तो ज़्यादा है. For example 1. Another example is number itself 4 and there is one more factor. 4 is also divisible by 2. So it clearly defines, the prime numbers clearly defines that all the natural numbers जिनके factors 1 होते हैं and the number itself, those all numbers are known as prime numbers. 4 तो prime number नहीं है because 4 में तीन फैक्टर्स आ रहे हैं, तीन नंबर से 4 डिविजिबल है. So 4 is not a prime number, 9 is also not a prime number, 12 is not a prime number. So what are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. They all are denoted by P. Now you would say, you all will say, मैम आपने कहा था all natural numbers are prime numbers. Why 1 is not a prime number? 1 is a natural number. 1 is not a prime number बच्चे because 1 is known as a unique number. 1 एक unique number है. Why? 1 is not a prime number because it has only one factor. It is divisible by only 1 itself. The number itself. 1 is divisible by 1 itself. 1 is not divisible by any other number. So 1 is a unique number. Now coming towards what are composite numbers. Composite numbers are those natural numbers which has more than two factors. They are not prime numbers. They have more than two factors. We have already taken an example of 4. 4 has three factors. 1, it was divisible by 2 also and it was divisible by 4 also. The number itself also. So 4 is a composite number because it has more than two factors. Let's take an example of 10. 10 is divisible by 1, it is also divisible by 2, it is also divisible by 5 and it is also divisible by itself, number 10. So it has more than two factors. That's why those numbers are known as composite numbers, which has more than two factors, and they are denoted by C. Now you would be knowing this point. 1 is neither prime and it is not a composite number. It is a unique number. Moving towards co-prime numbers. What are co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers are the consecutive numbers. The consecutive numbers? What are consecutive numbers? For example, there is a number that is n. Consecutive means the next number will be n plus n 1. One number is n, another number is n plus 1. Let's take an example. Let's take a value of n. N's value, let's take it's 2. N is 2. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. So consecutive means the very next number. These all our numbers are known as co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers वो होते हैं whose HCF is only and only 1. The both numbers are divisible by only 1. Let's take an example. 2, 3. Both these numbers are divisible by only and only 1. 4, 9. 4, 9 क्या किसी और नंबर से डिविजिबल हो सकता है एक साथ? सिर्फ 1 से ही, एक 1 ही एक ऐसा नंबर है जो दोनों को एक साथ डिवाइड करे. ऐसे numbers whose HCF is always 1, those numbers are known as co-prime numbers.